Hello, welcome back to another episode. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this Jaguar F-Pace R Sport. This is in for our 5-year Wax is Dead package, and we will also be painting the calipers in a dark blue or a red. The reason it's this or that is because customer dropped the car off this morning, wasn't 100% sure whether to go to red or stick with the blue. So I guess the next time you find out will be when I'm painting them. But yeah, as always, this is detailing done properly. Sit back, relax, and let me do all the hard work. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe, because that's what makes these videos worth doing. Also, I enjoy doing them anyway. It's just adds a lot of extra time to the job. But yeah, as always, detailing done properly. My name's Daryl. Sit back, relax, let me do all the hard work, and enjoy. So now the vehicle's had the snow foam on and off, and we've rinsed it down. We're going to give it a quick once over with our 2-bucket method, one with water in and one with shampoo and water in, and then we'll go from there. Right, so while I'm doing this, what I have done and what I always do is I always put shampoo in the wash mitt. I don't put it in a bucket, I don't put it on the outside, I put it in. This way we've always got like a constant feed of it. Give it a rinse out in the bucket. As you can see, I've got some nice bubbles in there, so it's perfect. Right, so another little tip for you. When you're doing your wheels, instead of filling another bucket of water and then using more shampoo, obviously we've got the 2 buckets here, so this one would have been just clean water and this one would have been clean water with shampoo. So in theory, this water here, which is the rinse bucket, would be the only bucket which would actually get dirty, so we can use our clean shampoo water in the wheel bucket to do the wheels. It saves us a bit of shampoo, and it also saves us filling another bucket up. Right, so we've got some deeper scratches here. I'm probably going to try and get them out with a rotary machine. If that doesn't work, then we will wet flat, which I don't really want to do because it's quite a lot to do. But yeah, I mean, you can't feel them with your finger now. I think it's a case of they look a lot worse than what they actually are. So we get the rotary machine out with some heavy cut and we get them gone. As you can see, the scratches are gone. As far as scratches go, that is what I was hoping to see. So this customer has paid for additional polishing, which is what you've just seen there. This is a very harsh stage of polishing, but it was definitely needed on this. I mean, we've got probably 95% of the damage out. There's a scratch there which won't come out, but all the other stuff's gone. I mean, obviously we've got a lot of marring from the machine polishing, but I will show you a picture before and after. A whole another stage of polishing to go yet. So that's what we've got with holograms, but just to show you the scratches, are now gone. As I previously mentioned, obviously everything you can see here, this is all holograms, this is all marring from the very heavy cut stage, and this little panel is obviously untouched, but you can see all the scratches and things in it. If you go across to this one, scratches have been removed. Right, so we're swapping machines now, where we've got the Roops Bigfoot 21. This is a DA, so the marring and things I showed you just now, this will remove that and leave the paint perfect in the best condition it can be for ceramics. So I'm going to do this side now, and then this side's done. I haven't done the rest of the car yet. I'm going to do it in sections. So I'll do this side, that side, so on and so forth. But yeah, so this machine spins like this, and it also spins like this. So it's got 2 axes, which is why you don't get holograms. So we're going to polish all the holograms out, and then this side will all be done. The scratches are gone, and then this side will be ready for coatings. Obviously we need to do the rest of the car, and then we'll go from there, but this is the best starting point. There we go, so there's one caliper all masked up. Obviously I took the spring out so we can get in here nicely, so don't get any like dirty edges. Everything's all taped up, masked up, and now it's going to be etch primer, filler primer, base coat, a couple of coats of lacquer, and that'll all be done. I might show that bit, I might not. We got our own paints we use, we've got our own way of doing things, a few little tips and tricks which I don't want everybody else figuring out, because it took me years to decide, well, to figure them out myself. So, the magician doesn't reveal his secrets, or not all at once anyway. As you can see, calipers have been painted. I'm going to leave these to rest overnight, and then tomorrow we'll take all the masking tape off. And once we've got the masking tape off, we will get the car lowered down, wheels back on, lowered down, and then we'll get the ceramics done. Right, so now the vehicle's all polished, the wheels are back on, the calipers are painted, now it's down for coating. So we're going to get the vehicle wiped down with the Waxes Dead Cleaner. This is an IPA based product, and this will remove any oils, residues or waxes or anything left from the polishing stage or before. Deep breath. So let's get on with this. We'll get it all wiped down with the IPA. Once we've done that, we'll get the unit up to temperature, because obviously it is that time of year again. We'll we'll get up to 19 degrees and then we're ready for coatings. Right, so this vehicle's all wiped down now and it is now ready for ceramic coating. We do have a quick appointment to attend to, and then once we've done that we will get the coating on, which will also give the unit time to heat up. So it's 9:02 on Wednesday morning and we are currently sat at 62% humidity and 16.5 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to try and get that temperature up to 19 degrees without raising the humidity too much, and then we'll get the coating on. Right, so now this side's all done. The other side's all done, front end's done, rear end's done. All that's left to do now is the glass. So we're going to get the vehicle back down on the ground. Once the vehicle's down on the ground, I'm going to do the glass. And then this vehicle's pretty much completed, just be finishing touches. And it's all good to go back over to the owner. Right, so all the paintwork's done. We're going to ceramic the glass. For this we're going to use the Wax's Dead glass, which is a nice easy product to use.